up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, guys, it's been storming for the last half hour here. I just walked up to my spot that I normally fish around here by my house. It's completely flooded, so that kind of changes my plans. So that means I'm gonna have to try to find a spot uptown, downtown Rockford. See if we can find any good spot to fish. I haven't fished up there lately in a while because I haven't really had no success, but hey, just because it's raining doesn't mean you have to give up on fishing. That doesn't mean it's gonna mess up your day, guys. Sometimes right after the rain you catch the best fish and you fish better. In my opinion, I think you fish better. That's why I brought me a catwalk from 6 Cents Fishing, a curve finesse from 6 Cents Fishing, and a Strike King jerkbait. We're gonna start out with those three and hopefully we're able to catch something because this spot is flooded. I don't even think I've been able to fish this spot since early spring, guys. It seems like this year, if it wasn't hot, it was rainy, hot, rainy. It's just been a weird year, hard year of fishing, at least for me it has. So let's go uptown and let's see if we can make something happen. So I'll see you guys there. Oh, I finally had one and I lost it, guys. Seriously? Ooh, come on. Been working out here hard for the last half hour of this spot. Oh, that was gonna be my first one. There's gotta be more in here. Got one? Do I? What? Yeah, I do. Man, that joker never even fought. Here we go, guys. First official fish of the afternoon. Not a big one by any means, but I'll take it. What's that right there? Some weird stuff right there. But I'll take it, guys. It's been a tough afternoon. Looks like these bad boys are starting to get fattened up. Fall's on its way. Actually, fall starts like in 2 days. So let's see if we can catch something bigger. I don't know if I caught that on video, but this bad boy came out of nowhere and hit the top water. Woo! Look at that! He hit the catwalk. Let me get my pliers. There we go. A better one. Hopefully they keep getting bigger. That's number 2. I knew we'd catch one on top water. Oh, there's nothing like catching a fish on top water, guys. Alright, let's let them go. They're losing the lure. That was perfect. I didn't even think I was gonna catch one on top water, guys, today. Whew. What up, guys? Welcome back. Yesterday I ran out of time. It got kind of dark, so I just quit fishing and then ended up going back home. But we're back out here today again, so we're gonna see if we can catch some more smallmouth. Hopefully we were able to catch some more, guys. So let's get out there and rip some lips. Last year I was catching them right here. There we go. What I say? There would be one right there. Look, you think he wanted it? Calm down, buddy. You almost hooked yourself again in the eye, dude. Oh shit, you're bleeding. There you go. Not by far the biggest one, but he's bleeding a little bit, so we're gonna let him go. There you go. Oh, are you kidding me, guys? Are you kidding me? All that. Come on. That was a big one too. Oh my God.